everybody, welcome back to TJ's Tiny Homestead. Today we're making oatmeal no-bake cookies for the kitties. They really like this stuff. So what you need is about 1 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 stick of butter. Put that in there. Chop that up a little bit. These are a favorite in our house. They don't last long, so that's a good thing. Okay. And I need to get some milk. Oh, milk. Have a cup of milk. And we got a half a cup of milk. Get right into this. Everybody's sleeping or doing their own thing. Okay, there's a half cup of milk. And then you need a 1/3 cup of cocoa to make it chocolatey. Put that in there. Is we're going to stir this until it comes to a boil. And I got my peanut butter ready, my vanilla, and 3 cups of quick oatmeal, quick cook oatmeal. You don't want the long cook, you want the quick cook. And then peanut butter, you just want like maybe a little over, almost a cup of peanut butter, and a tablespoon of vanilla. That'll all go in last. There, it's starting. Sugar's starting to melt, the butter's melting. I've got my paper ready. Papers are put out on when they're ready. These won't even last a day in this house. Last time I made them, I had them sitting out and boom, they were gone. So, somebody in the one of the comments on something I made asked me to make a batch of them up for them. So I'll do this and I'll put the ingredients in the description. So if you want to make some, they're real easy to make. See how that's all melted and stuff. I don't know if you can see from where it's starting to boil. We're going to let it boil for a minute. And we'll add our peanut butter and our oatmeal and our vanilla. And then we'll drop it out on this paper here. And once it cools off, we'll be ready to eat. Yum, yum. Okay, 52. We have a birthday in the house today. I've already been out making a cake for him. He turned 15 today. Happy birthday, CJ. Everybody tell CJ happy birthday. We're going to make him pizza tonight. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put the peanut butter in there. Smells like a Reese's peanut butter cup. go. All right. Now we're going to take it off the heat. Turn the heat off. And we're going to put the vanilla in it. Stir it up real good. And then we're going to put the oatmeal in it. Mix the oatmeal really, really good. It's already starting to thicken. There we go. Make sure you get all the oatmeal mixed up in it. Alright, there. Now, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to start dropping them on the paper here. Doesn't matter what they look like, don't eat them. I know some people like their cookies perfectly round, perfect texture and all that, but seriously, cookies don't last long. They're already hardening up, so I've got to hurry. To the bottom. Gotta hurry, gotta be faster. So got quite a bit. There you go. Quick peanut butter cookies. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe. See y'all later.